How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube Android 2026. Have you ever tried to watch a video or read the comments on YouTube only to find they are hidden because restricted mode is turned on? It's a helpful feature for families, but it can be annoying when you just want to see all your favorite content. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the official, fastest way to disable restricted mode directly in the Android app, and what to do if the setting is grayed out or locked. Restricted mode is an optional setting that filters out potentially mature content. It works on a per-device basis, so even if you turned it off on your computer, you still need to toggle it here on your Android phone. Step 1. Open the YouTube app and make sure you are signed into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your You page. Step 3. Tap the settings gear icon located in the top right corner. Step 4. From the settings menu, tap on General. This is where most of your app-wide preferences are stored. Step 5. Scroll down until you find restricted mode. Tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. The switch should change from blue to gray. Step 6. Refresh your feed. You may need to close and restart the app for the changes to fully take effect and for comments to reappear. Here is an expert pro tip. If you find that the restricted mode toggle is grayed out and you can't move it, it's usually because of one of two things. Either you are on a managed network, like a school or office Wi-Fi, or your account is managed by Google Family Link. If you're at home, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. If the button becomes clickable, then your router's DN settings are the culprit. By following these steps, you've successfully unlocked the full YouTube experience on your device. If this video helped you see those missing comments or videos, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 tech tips. Are you still having trouble with a locked setting? Let me know in the comments if you're using a school account or a personal one, and I'll help you out.